In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through the Hostinger platform to manage your website backups efficiently. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned webmaster, understanding backups is crucial for the security and integrity of your site. So let's dive in and take it step by step. First, you'll want to head over to Hostinger's homepage, which is your entry portal to a world of website management tools. Navigate to hpanel.hostinger.com in your web browser. This is where you'll be logging into your account if you haven't done so already. The hPanel is Hostinger's own control panel, offering a user-friendly interface to manage your web properties. Familiarizing yourself with this dashboard will really pay off as it's packed full of features. Once you're on the home page, your next stop is the Websites section. Clicking on it takes you to a comprehensive list of all the websites linked to your Hostinger account. This is your command center for everything from setting up hosting to managing domains. Now that you're in the Websites section, look for the Dashboard option. Click on it and you'll find yourself on a new page that gives you a more detailed view of your selected site. The dashboard is the brain of your website management operations, and from here you can access various tools tailored for specific functions. From the dashboard, locate and click on the Files section. This area is essential for direct access to your website's file structure. Here you can upload files, manage existing ones, and really get into the nitty-gritty of your site. Knowing how to navigate the Files section can save you a lot of time in troubleshooting and customization tasks. Next, we'll focus on the Backups feature. Click on it, and this is where you can see your current backup files. Regular backups are your lifesaver should anything go awry with your site, providing a safeguard against data loss or site errors. In the Backups section, proceed by clicking on Manage Backups. You'll open up options where you can initiate new backups, monitor existing ones, or alter your backup settings as needed. Efficient management here ensures that you have the most reliable backup system in place. Lastly, explore the Restore history by clicking it. This function enables you to view and manage your past restorations, giving you the power to revert to previously saved states of your website in case of recent changes that didn't go as planned. And there you have it. By following along with these steps, you should have a fine grasp of managing backups on the Hostinger platform. Regularly maintaining backups ensures the longevity and security of your website, which is invaluable in the ever-evolving digital landscape. If you have any further questions or run into any issues, Hostinger's support resources are just a click away. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting!